And then you go into a situation where you can't get that close because of whatever reason, and but you can get 60 inches. So how would you, knowing about your direct square law, you know you're going to have to increase your technical factor somehow. Is it a double? You can go, where am I again? It's not quite, it's not a double. 80 inches is a double. So do the 80 inches in your mind. That's easy to do. You double the distance, so you go 4 times your mass, and then back off of it a little bit. Will it be enough? It'll be close. It may not be perfect in your EI range that you want, but it'll be close. So you don't have time to get a calculator out and start doing that in ICU when people are all around the patient and they're critically ill, and you don't have that kind of time. We never have that kind of time. Okay, magnification. Anybody want to do those? I don't have. And then we'll take a break. Okay, you want me to just answer them? Are we, is fun time over? Okay, magnification. And we have 30. So check my answers and make sure. I'm just going to put the answers up there. Those of you who have done it, just make sure that I did it right. Make sure my answers, my questions match yours. Did I already get one wrong?
I think there's a
.1.
Yeah, 5.1. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Anybody else to check me? Did I do okay or not?
100%.
100%.
Well, as long as you got that in there. If you need help with your magnification formulas, as I said, if you find the magnification factor, you can answer any kind of questions. What you have to look at when you're doing magnification is, what is the question asking you? First of all, the first one, what is the size of the image? So we're looking for an actual size, not 33%, not 1.4, anything like that. We're looking for the actual size. So if something measured, in this case, 15 centimeters, we're looking for an answer like that. On number 27, again, we're looking at the size. Now on 28, what is the percent of magnification? Again, if you find the magnification factor, which I did was 1.33, then that means it's a 33% magnification. If you find the magnification factor here, how did I get these answers? Okay, how do you find the magnification factor?
SID over SOD.
SID over SOD.
Or image over object.
Or image over object. It's always image over object. Image over object. Okay, so whichever one you want to use. I gave you
SID.
I gave you SID, and I said,
And you gave us OID.
20 centimeters from the IR. So the SID is 75, and the SOD, this is where you're going to mess up, so be careful with this. SID over SOD, so what is the SOD?
55, yeah.
75 minus 20. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so make sure, and then once you find that, what is 75 divided by 55?
1.36.
1.36, thank you, is the magnification factor. What do you do with that? Multiply that
By 15.
by 15. And you should get that size. You should get 20 centimeters. You should get 20. If I asked you what is the percentage of magnification, you would say
36.
36. And then if I asked the magnification factor, you already have it. So same thing here. Here it's a little bit different. I gave you the magnification factor, and you have to tell me, what would it be, 1.7, let's see, 3 inches. Did the magnification, what would be the image diameter?
1.7 times.
5.1.
Okay. So I gave you the magnification factor there. What, and then here, same thing, find the magnification factor, and I ask for percentage, so anything that follows the decimal will be that percent. A 25 centimeter object, what will be the size of the image? Again, I'm looking for an actual size. If you find the magnification factor and multiply it by 25, you'll get it. And then an object measures 16, the image size is 17, what is the magnification factor? Sit over sum. So again, your magnification factor will be able to answer every one of those questions, so keep it simple. And if you have any trouble with that, let me know. Yes, sir.
The review questions are all like problems, math problems, is that?
This
test
is all the
also?
math problems you've had up to this point.
Is the test all just math problems?
No,
or-
that's an excellent question. Is it all just math? No. There'll be relationship questions. For instance, as OID increases, magnification does what? So you'll have those relationship questions. Remember, we had filtration, what is inherent filtration, what's added, what is total, so go back and look at that. So no, it's just a variety. These were just for practice problems to make sure you could do the word problems, which we all hate. Or is that just me?
No.
And so, so the other ones will just be your basic questions like that. So go back through your notes and look at those kind of things. And we still have some more to add on to it today.
Yay.
So let's take a break, come back.